We're going to learn about loops in Python, and we'll be using a practical example of renaming files in a folder. A loop in programming is a way to automate repetitive tasks you would have to do manually in the real world. Let's look at the example. You have a folder for a project with pictures, text files, and Excel sheets. You want to add the words Project Python to all the text files in this folder. If you have 3 files, it's easy to do manually. However, if you have 200 files and want to change all their names manually, it becomes boring and would be much better to drink coffee instead of this. What are the steps to change file names manually? More or less, you need to select all .txt files, click on each of them, choose to change the file name, and add the words Project Python at the beginning of each file. It is a big waste of time to do it manually, isn't it? What is the loop role here? First, let's write a Python script without a loop, and later I will show you the same script with the loop to illustrate the difference. List of file names to rename. Filter all text files. Change the file names in the system. Look at this script, it doesn't have the loop, so we need to count the number of text files in the folder. We need to select every text file by its index number, and then we change the file name. Obviously, we can copy and paste the part 100 times and change just one number, which may be still easier than manually clicking every file. However, using the loop is a better solution. This is our script. Better to use a Python script with a loop in it. In this script, instead of copying and pasting the part about changing a file name, we used a for loop so Python could copy and paste it for us. Alright, let's break down how it works. First, initialize. The loop starts with the first file in the folder. Next, execute. The code inside the loop, which renames the file, runs and adds the prefix to the first file. Then next item, the loop moves to the next file and repeats the process. And finally, repeat. This continues until all files in the folder have been processed. Simple, right? So, why use loops? Well, first off, efficiency. You write less code to do more work. The loop handles each file automatically. Next, automation. Let the computer do the repetitive task of renaming files. And lastly, scalability. You can easily handle renaming many files without extra code. Pretty cool, huh? Now, can you see the difference between a script with and without a loop? Now, an exercise for you to make this more memorable. Look at this code and change it to add the phrase "great video" before every MP4 file in the folder. And don't forget to write in the comment the part you changed. If you are learning Python, the videos below are must-watch for you.